Maxwell Hall, Indiana University, Bloomington. Looks like we got an Otis. Oh gosh, it's got an annoying fan. Can we even go anywhere? Oh, we can go to 2. Oh, never mind. Series 2, vandal resistant. Just a meh cab. But hey, at least it is an Innovation Bruiser Monitor TR. There's a phone. And it has a 2,500 pound capacity. Here we are down at the ground level. Oh, this is an electrical room. Let's go back up to 1. That fan is really annoying. Motor is still a little bit decent. But here we are up at 1. There it goes. That's gonna be it.